In this video, I'll guide you through how to add headers and footers in Google Docs. Whether you're working on an essay, a report, or a professional document, headers and footers help keep everything organized and easy to read. They're perfect for adding page numbers, titles, dates, or your name, so they appear consistently on every page. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along step by step. First, open Google Docs. You can do this by going to your web browser and signing into your Google account, then opening Google Docs from your apps, or by navigating directly to the Google Docs website. Once you're there, either create a new blank document or open an existing one that you want to edit. It's usually easier to see how headers and footers look if you already have some text in your document, but it's not required. With your document open, look toward the top of the screen for the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on the option labeled Insert. This menu is where Google Docs keeps most of the tools for adding extra elements to your document, like images, tables, page numbers, and of course headers and footers. When you click Insert, a drop-down menu appears. Move your mouse down through the list until you find headers and footers. Hover over or click that option and you'll see two choices, header and footer. The header is the section at the very top of each page and the footer is at the very bottom. You can choose one or both depending on what your document needs. Let's start by adding a header. Click on header. As soon as you do, your document will shift slightly and a header area will appear at the top of the page with a blinking cursor. This is where you can type whatever you want to appear on every page. Common examples include the title of your document, your name, a course or project name, or a company name. Just type your text as you normally would. You can format this text just like regular text in your document. For example, you can select it and change the font, size, color, or alignment using the toolbar at the top of the screen. If you want the header centered, click the center alignment icon. If you want it on the left or right side, choose those alignment options instead. Now, if you also want a footer, go back to the insert menu at the top, select headers and footers again, and this time click footer. A footer area will appear at the bottom of the page with a cursor ready for you to type. This is a great place for page numbers, dates, or short references. Just like with the header, you can type your text and format it using the same toolbar controls. Once you've entered your header and footer text, click anywhere in the main body of the document to return to normal editing. As you add more pages to your document, you'll see that the header and footer automatically repeat on each page, keeping your document consistent and professional. That's all you need to add headers and footers in Google Docs. Open your document, go to Insert, choose Headers and Footers, then pick Header or Footer and type your text. With just a few clicks, your document will look much more polished and organized.